Hey guys, so I just wanted to hop on really quick and tell you about the ScanMarker Pro. It's a wireless digital highlighter. It is the neatest thing since sliced bread. It is so easy to use, and this is it. As you can tell, I've been using it a lot. This is the power button, and if you press this, you hold it in, then it turns it on. And it's pretty self-explanatory. At first I thought when I saw it, oh, it looks so overwhelming, but it's not. It's so easy to use. So you have the read aloud, dictionary, translate, you can export, and you can speak into it, you can record, you have your favorites, and then this is your settings. Here you can adjust the volume, and you can connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, autoplay. And it is just the neatest thing. I'm going to show you how it works, but what I really like about this so far is it can empower your child to read any text independently with using this. And it basically, all you do is you scan lines of text from any document, and it will read the text out loud instantly. So it's perfect for children learning to read, children with dyslexia, and ESL students, plus elderly people. Basically, it's just pretty good for everybody. I'm enjoying it myself. So let me show you here. So let me just go here. So you'll open the page, and you have it, you'll hit read. And all you do is just run over it just like that.
Resurgence.
And that's the title. So let's go ahead and do this.
ZNE Zibble's exclamation rang out through the spy. School library. In her excitement, Zoe had spoken a bit too.
So you can have this read to you faster or slower. It is adjustable, and it is just the neatest thing. So it helps when you have a child who's learning to read and maybe they don't know how to pronounce a certain word, or they don't know the word. It'll help you pronounce it. And then you also have the dictionary. So let's go ahead and let's do spy.
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 A person employed by a state or institution to obtain secret information from rival countries, organizations, companies, etc. A person who keeps secret watch on others.
So that is just the coolest thing. So you can read, you can do dictionary, you can translate, do the same thing.
La exclamación de Zoe Cibel resonó a través del espía. La exclamación de Zoe Cibel resonó a través del espía.
You can put it in several different languages. It has over 50 plus languages, so that's so cool. And then you can export, and you can also speak. So let's say you're practicing, you can say, let's go to speak. This is a nice book.
Este es un buen libro.
So it can translate for you. If you are saying that this is a nice book and you say you wanted to know how to say that in Spanish, then it would translate it to Spanish, and that's pretty cool. And then we have recording. So you can click here. Don't forget to pick the kids up after school. Whoops, so now we can go back in here. Don't forget to pick the kids up after school. And then your favorites. It's just the neatest device. So it's pretty much, this is perfect for everybody in your family. So I just wanted to hop on and show you guys how cool this is. So this can read, you have a dictionary, translation, export, you can speak in it. It can translate, you can record little memos. It has favorites, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and it's just really cool, you guys. So I just want to jump on and share. Thanks. The last thing I wanted to tell you is it comes with a USB cable. So all you do is just plug this in.